In a world that demands change, sustainability is no longer a choice, it's a responsibility. Phú Hào, we believe that even the most traditional materials can bring modern, meaningful impact. Introducing Coir rope, a natural, durable, and biodegradable solution for agriculture, construction, and beyond. What is Coir rope? Coir rope is crafted from the coarse golden fibers of coconut husks, a humble byproduct of the coconut industry that we turn into something exceptional. Once harvested, these husks undergo a meticulous multi-stage process. The fibers are soaked, beaten, combed, and then sun-dried under Vietnam's tropical skies, preserving their natural strength and character. Then, with a blend of traditional hand-twisting techniques and modern machinery, we spin these fibers into ropes that are tough yet pliable, rugged yet refined, designed to endure harsh conditions, yet gentle on the environment. Our Coir ropes are 100% natural, plastic-free, and biodegradable, offering a sustainable alternative that meets today's demands for eco-conscious solutions. From the coconut heartlands of Vietnam, where generations have lived in harmony with nature, we bring you a product that carries not only the resilience of the land, but also the craftsmanship of its people. This is more than just rope. It's nature's strength, refined by human care, ready to support your world. Our products are highly valued by professionals in agriculture, landscape engineering, logistics, and eco-retail sectors. Why do clients Phú Hào? Because we offer competitive pricing, fast international shipping, product consistency, and a shared vision for a cleaner, greener future. Sustainability isn't a trend, it's our foundation. Why choose Coir rope? Phú Hào. What makes Coir rope different? It is biodegradable, returning to the earth without pollution. It is water-resistant and naturally resilient, ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. It holds high tensile strength, yet remains lightweight and easy to handle. And best of all, it aligns with today's growing demand for eco-conscious products. When you choose Coir rope, you choose a solution that works with nature, not against it. Why Phú Hào? With over a decade of experience, Phú Hào is one of Vietnam's leading manufacturers and exporters of coir products. In 2024 alone, we proudly exported over 100 containers of coir mats and ropes to South Korea and international markets. Our factory operates with strict quality control, consistent supply, and customizable packaging. We serve businesses large and small, always with commitment, reliability, and care. Partner with Phú Hào and you gain more than a supplier. You gain a trusted long-term collaborator. Applications where Coir rope makes a difference. Coir rope isn't just natural, it's a versatile and sustainable solution, trusted across agriculture, construction, packaging, and design. In agriculture, it's ideal for tying plants, climbing systems, and trellises. Safe for soil and crops, it naturally decomposes with zero waste. In construction and landscaping, it's used for erosion control, slope stabilization, and soil reinforcement, especially in green infrastructure and environmental projects. In packaging, it replaces plastic ties in bundling goods and securing exports, especially for eco-conscious brands in agriculture and crafts. In decor and design, Coir rope adds natural beauty to interiors, from plant hangers and furniture wraps to DIY crafts with a rustic touch. Whether you're growing a farm, building sustainably, or designing with nature, Coir rope from Phú Hào is your smart, eco-friendly choice. Ready to bring eco-solutions into your next project? Choose Phú Hào Coir rope, where quality, nature, and sustainability come together. Contact us today to receive samples, catalogs, and personalized consultation. Phú Hào, naturally strong, globally trusted.